Can you sit here? Can you sit here? Where do you view it?
Right there, man! I'm not crazy! Put it right down here.
Look, flies.
Bam! I'm gonna kill that kid. I'm gonna kill that kid, I swear to God. What the hell? God, I'm like creepy. I'm like creepy. I'm gonna kill that kid. I'm gonna kill that kid.
Stop. Are you sure it's coming from, maybe it's from the window?
No. It's coming from in here. She's playing a really good trick. You know what? Don't tell me that I got scared.
Stop.
It was playing the television like a second ago. Leave the television off!
That's crazy.
It's crazy. You heard it.
Yeah, I heard like little flies in. Well, stop. Hold on. Just hold on.
What?
Hey, go look. Hold on. No.
I'm not going there by myself. This flashlight's pretty good.
Okay, I hear that.
Dude, what the hell? Oh, motherfucker! See what I'm talking about? Daddy, there's nothing under that fucking bed! I feel like I'm in the middle of the fucking Exorcist movie. He even hears it!
I hear it too. It's like a back.
Yeah, I'm crazy. There's nothing down there. Fuck me! Make it stop!
I don't know what it is.
Please! Come on it. Okay, this is I'm gonna kill her. That's really good.
I was like, oh, I thought I was hearing things.
I'm telling you, I've looked everywhere. There's nothing down here.
Maybe it's attached to the TV. Yeah. Hold it.
There's nothing under her bed. I'm not crazy. Motherfucker! Jesse, this isn't normal. There is nothing under here. This kid is insane! She's speakers down here!
Yeah, I'll put him there.
What do you mean you put him there? What do you mean you put him there? Timmy, you put him there? Timmy, I swear to God, oh my God!
Yeah, I put him there like a couple of weeks ago.
Jesse, you got shit up there! Oh my God, look, my God, this is freaky! I thought it was like a ghost and it was appearing to me! Oh my God.
I've been playing random sounds every almost every night.
David, you can't sleep. Oh my God.
Yeah, a little bit here and there. Hey,
Oh my God.
have a cigarette with me. Look. Come here. Look.
Oh my God.
I think the sound you heard.
But I saw you on your iPad the whole time.
Yeah, I'm controlling with my
Oh
iPad.
my God. What do you mean controlling with your iPad?
You see these? You see OPSA?
Yeah.
It says Operation Scare Audrey.
Oh!
It's playing YouTube videos that are like creepy clown.
Oh my God, I want to barf.
Heartbeat.
The heartbeat of the one that scared the shit out of me! I was in the kitchen! And I thought somebody was knocking! And I looked everywhere!
Oh, there's a knocking sound on here too.
Oh my God.
And then the cat meowing.
Oh my God.
And then the child giggling. So I figured out that you would because it was too much.
Oh my God. I was going to call Dr. Cookie.
I think I'm like, MRI is gonna come. I was thinking,
You're going to call me and tell him why I'm late. Oh my God. Oh my God. David Rogers is going to be there. I gotta go. I can't find my cigarette. Here.
you destroyed.
Oh my God. Hey!